60 seconds with Femi, correct Pidgin Yannings. Now what they do? At this morning, UEFA Champions League. Now we want to talk about because you don't come back again. Better match 9 day for we eye today. The first one, Manchester United versus Barcelona. Look, sure, maybe Man United defender, you don't come out talk so boy. That thing where they do against PSG, that Moras said the Moras today. They still do them against Barcelona. Some football fans said they don't throw away their mad small sport for the whole matter. Me, I want to know how you take CM because we don't hear say Alexis Sanchez. He follow this Man United team. A travel go Camp Nou. He played for Barcelona before. Alexis Sanchez, he go fit do him against his former club. You will be Man U fan. How you dey reason the matter today? You feel say Man United go fit win Barcelona today? You self will be Barca fan. How you dey also reason the matter? You feel say that thing where Man United do gree for their Old Trafford stadium. Say they fit do another one today. Another match self wey dey for we eye. Now the one wey involve Ajax and Juventus. Inside Juventus Turin Stadium. First leg for this one, he end 1-1. Juventus, they get better mountain to climb. How you say he go end?